Hello there, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm going to show you how to create a cool custom image using a custom brush like we've got here. So just to see how that works, let's go ahead and start off by opening up Paint, which is on your installed on your computers. Just type Paint in the search bar and open it up, and we've got a new screen here. I'm going to save my first. I'm going to save my. Save my existing thing and start a brand new. So File, New, a clean screen here to work with, and go ahead and create the colors for our custom brush. So right off the bat, you got lots of colors to choose from. We're going to pick some basics, and we're going to start off by creating the color palette for my brush. So my color palette, I'm going to go ahead and let's get some yellow, orange, pink. These are just the various colors that I want to use. I like to stick to some of the brighter colors. And I'm using the airbrush so I can mix them together. Get lots of pixelated stuff going on here. A little more red in that. A little more yellow. There we go. I like that. Alright, so now I got my background color set to white, my selection set to transparent. We're going to choose freeform selection, and I'm going to make the shape of the brush that I want. So I'm just going to make a round brush, so I'm just going to draw a round-ish circle. I could choose other shapes. If I wanted to use this as my brush, I could do that. It doesn't really matter. So the next thing I'll do is just grab the object. And like I said, I could use either of these, and then we're just going to move it around. We're going to hold the Shift key down. So I've got the item selected. I click the Shift key, and I click and drag to make the brush. So click and drag makes the brush. So totally up to you what you want the brush to look like. I'm going to Control Z to get me back to the beginning. Delete this, and so we're going to come in and this will be my brush. So for the purpose here, I'm going to hit the Shift key down, and I'm just going to type in custom. And I'm going to release the mouse, and I'm going to click and move my brush, and then I'm going to hold the Shift key down and then drag, and then release everything, and then click. Oops. Hold the Shift key. Click and hold the Shift key, and then click and just repeat. It's going to take some practice to figure it out. Maybe that end first, just so I have room. Okay, cool. And there we go. So that's the first step. And now I can go ahead and create other custom brushes, or just switch to standard brushes. I'm going to get the black outline. I'll make that bigger. I'm going to put some black outline on my letters. This will make things easier to see whenever I start mixing stuff together. And you can take your time and do it as neat as you want, or you can go quick and sloppy like me. Totally up to you. It all depends on what kind of product you're looking for in the end. Alright, now I'm going to select everything by using the Select All button, Control A, and I'm going to grab the corner here and shrink things down a little bit. Then I'm going to go ahead and actually grab myself another custom brush. I'm going to custom brush here a little bit. By selecting the freeform, I grab a little bit of that color again. Hit the control button to just copy and paste, drag that out of there. So control and click makes multiple copies. Shift and click is how you get the custom brush. So, all right. So now I'm just going to grab everything. And I'm going to shrink that down again to the size I want. And now put it in the middle and hold the shift key down. And create my cool background effect that I liked. Put that in the middle and release. And then I'm going to select what I wanted. And we're going to crop to that size. There you go. That's all there is to it. Have fun, create custom brushes, be creative, try new things, and as always, keep being awesome.